In this video lesson, you're going to learn how to use the LOFT tool in order to create a unique shape. Throughout the course, you'll probably use LOFT in many of the parts. So go ahead and open up Autodesk Inventor and open a new part or create a new part. Click on Start 2D Sketch. Click on the XZ plane, and my top view for some reason is tilted on the side, so I'm going to click on this left arrow so that I have top right side up. And we're going to keep it simple. We're just learning loft, so we're going to use some simple shapes to create a loft sketch. Go and draw a square or a rectangle and dimension your square or rectangle to 4 by 3. So it's actually a rectangle. I'm gonna go ahead and coincident constraint the line to the origin and finish sketch. Let's click home. What we need to do to create a loft is we need to drag a plane up. So find the origin menu here and open that up so that you see all these planes. We want to click on the XZ plane, click on plane, and drag that up. So clicking and dragging it up. You can also determine how high up you go. So let's make that 4. And then on this plane that you've just created, right click on it, new sketch. Let's go ahead and click on the rectangle tool again. And with this rectangle tool along this plane here, along the origin center line here, click and drag a smaller rectangle. We can dimension that, let's say 2 in length, 1 inch in width. And let's coincident constrain that midpoint to the origin. Finish sketch. If your plane still is showing, you can right click on it and uncheck visibility. Now click on loft. So we're going to click on our first sketch here and then click on our second sketch, and you'll see Autodesk turn into like a see-through green solid shape. If you were cutting something, you would select the cut feature, but we're actually extruding and making a solid part, so it's going to not give us any options. Click OK. And now you have a lofted part. Get creative with that. I want to see you practicing this skill on your parts. And if you even wanted to add, a rectangular hole here, going to another rectangular hole here, that would definitely show me that you have the skills needed to loft.